Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear, showing you this enclosed headache rack we just made. It's got a custom height light bar on it, and the customer's gonna mount a strobe light, maybe 50 inches wide up top, and that's going to match the height of his cab. It's all aluminum, stainless steel, 14 gauge mirror finish doors. I'll show you the inside real quick. It's got whale tail locking handles, all stainless hardware, chain hanger. It's got nice deep dividers there with a round bar top, so chains roll over that real easy. And in the center here, it's got adjustable shelf, adjustable every 2 inches, and it bolts in, so the customer can do that very easily. Again, all aluminum, 1/8 the thinnest material we use, 14 gauge stainless mirror doors, so you don't have stones hitting it and making dents in it. It's nice and heavy duty. For more products like this, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.